I was in South India in Solapur because I wanted to go and visit Pandharpur, which is just next to Solapur. And Lord Vittaladev is there, who is being worshipped by the great saint Tukaram. It is, after Tirupati, probably the second most busy temple in India, most frequently visited. On the day that we visited Pandharpur, somehow or other, it was Maharashtrian Holi, where people are throwing the dyes, the colors. So nobody was around because gangs of youngsters were roaming the town, throwing colors on everything and everybody that moved. Somehow we drove up quite close to the temple, and then we parked the car in an alley and saying a little prayer and counting our luck, we just ran to the temple. And there was no line, no queue. We had wonderful darshan. Lord Vittaladev is the only deity where the pujari will insist that you touch the deity's lotus feet with your head. You can put your head on the lotus feet of the Lord. Whereas in other temples, people don't want you to touch, people don't want you to take picture. Sometimes people may not even allow you to enter the temple. But that is the only temple where the priest insists he will not let you take darshan unless you put your head on the lotus feet of the Lord. While visiting another devotee who was doing farming in Solapur, I was quite intrigued because Solapur is a very dry area. It is rural Maharashtra. It's very hot, very dry, and the land turns into a dust bowl. But somehow Solapur is the place that grows more than half of India's pomegranate and table grapes. So I asked him, how is it possible that this very dry land is producing so much fruit? I saw his farm, I saw the farm of his neighbor, and it was amazing that a small bush of this height would give up to 80 pomegranates. And he told me that the solution is irrigation. Because they have put irrigation lines everywhere, they have turned this desert into an oasis. In the same way, our heart may be parched and dry, desert-like. But if we hear this Shravanadi Jal, if we take this ambrosial nectar of Krishna Katha, Shrinvata Svakata Krishna Punya Shravana Kirtana Hridyantaksto Hyabhadrani Vidunoti Suritsatam. If we hear Krishna Katha, then all the abhadras, all the unwanted things of our heart will become removed and an oasis can sprout there. We are all sitting here today and watching this because some sadhu, some saintly person is continuously dripping nectar on our head. That is the only reason why we are here today. As a small token of gratitude, let us all turn around and pay it forward, extend this gratitude to others by also becoming fountains of nectar. So we're humbly asking all the viewers of this short clip to please share the message of Krishna consciousness with the 5, the 50, or the 5,000 people that are in your universe. Let us become fountains of nectar and transform deserts into oases. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. All glories to Srila Prabhupada.